DoorDash, you're going to help to donate 100 meals like this to people in need.
Some meals for you?
Appreciate it. Thank
I'm noticing Evan's putting his sharing excess branding over the DoorDash hoodies. All right, here we go. Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Sorry, I had to pause the food drive to settle that.
Do you need a hat?
Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to purchase our hoodie on DoorDash now. Guys, let's help as many people in need as possible. DoorDash's Project Dash, in just a few years, has helped to deliver over 100 million meals.
All of this food would have been thrown away. Isn't that crazy? Hey, do you watch the videos?